In this video, we will break down the real reasons behind the Samsung Tab black screen problem and walk through the most reliable fixes you can try at home before going to a repair center. Step 1. Battery and power issues. One of the most common causes of a black screen on a Samsung tablet is a fully drained or malfunctioning battery. When the battery voltage drops too low, the screen may not turn on immediately, even while charging. Using a faulty cable or adapter can make this problem worse. Samsung recommends charging the tablet with the original charger for at least 30 to 60 minutes before attempting to power it on again. Step 2. Software glitches. Software crashes are another major reason behind this issue. A failed update, corrupted system file, or problematic third-party app can cause the system to freeze while the display stays black. In many cases, the tablet is stuck in a temporary system loop, which can be resolved by forcing a restart or booting into safe mode to isolate the problem. Step 3. Force restart method. A force restart is the safest and quickest fix to try first. This process refreshes the system without deleting any data. To do this, press and hold the power button and volume down button together for about 10 to 15 seconds. If the issue is caused by a minor system crash, the Samsung logo should appear and the tablet should reboot normally. Step 4. Charging and cable check. If the force restart does not work, the next step is to focus on charging. Plug the tablet into a wall outlet using a verified working charger and cable. Leave it charging without interruption for at least 1 hour. If possible, try a different cable or adapter. Step 5. Safe mode testing. Safe mode helps determine whether a third-party app is causing the black screen. When booted into safe mode, only system apps are allowed to run. If the screen works in safe mode, it strongly indicates that a recently installed app is responsible. Removing suspicious or recently added apps can permanently fix the problem without further steps. Step 6. Factory reset. If the tablet still shows a black screen and you suspect serious software corruption, a factory reset may be necessary. This is done through recovery mode and will erase all data stored on the device. This step should only be used as a last resort. If the screen does not turn on even in recovery mode, the problem is likely not software related.